What's going on, everybody? It's Marsellis back with another video. So today I really want to talk about Baby Doge and the Baby Doge Army and why you need a plan here inside of the crypto market. So this is very, very, very important because we're about to have another bull market coming. So I just want to talk about why you need a plan and how you could come about making this plan. So anyways, hit the like button and subscribe. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this is financial advice. First things first about why you need this plan, and because the bull market is really coming up very, very soon. So since we're getting a bull market very soon inside of the crypto market, it would be good for you to have a plan with what you're going to do with your crypto. So some people's plan is to hold indefinitely. Some people's plan is to hold until a certain price in the sell. You just have to know exactly what that plan is. And I'll tell you for my plan right here. My plan is to accumulate a little bit more baby doge as we go closer to 9Z9 and 9Z7 and possibly get some more baby doge. But it's also to accumulate more cryptos. And that's really where this plan comes because a lot of people, they only hold a baby doge, which is not good. You want to be diversified inside the crypto market. But like I said, none of this is financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. This is just what I'm doing. So I'm really trying to up the diversification here. So I'm trying to have some, baby doge and then some BNB alone, right? And then I also want to have some Ethereum for when the bull market comes, and then all the Ethereum tokens as well, right? I'm going to be holding some more Dogecoin, and because of the success of Dogecoin, Doge Chain should also do well as well. So I'm going to be holding some Doge Chain. Going to be getting some Shiba Inu. Going to be getting some Bone and Leash. That's also good as well for the sheep ecosystem. And yeah, there's just a lot of things that you want to do when you're thinking about your plan. So you have to have a plan for this next bull market. Remember, April of 2024 is going to be when we actually have our next bull market, because that's going to be when we have our Bitcoin halving. So if you actually look over here, I have a whole list of things that I'm really looking into. Like there's a lot of the good coins, Tom coin you get here. You got Hedera, you got internet, computer, you got Chronos, Optimism, Caspa, Stacked, Render. That's a good one. Phantom, Thor Chain, another good one. Pancake Swap, SafePal. These are safe bets in my personal opinion. Anchor Network, Bone, Kusama, Moonbeam. This one's kind of I don't know. I think this could be a good one inside the near future here. Moonbeam. It's been doing very, very good, as in the prices for the last 19, well, the last 30 days, 19%. So that's pretty good. But there's a lot of other coins as well. So you can see here, Baby Doge at rank 186. Baby Doge has a lot of upside potential, and I believe Baby Doge is going to be doing good. But Baby Doge Army, we have to be diversified. You have to have a plan here. So AMP, that's another a good one. That's like a low to mid cap. Joe, another good mid cap. Radiant, VVS Finance, very, very good on the DeFi side of things. Bitger is decent. Verge is going to be another decent one. Smart Dex. See, there's certain type of things that you want to pay attention to, and I just want to kind of go over something here. And when I'm talking about your plan, this is your crypto portfolio plan for the next bull market. So that's why we're going over different coins. But I really wanted to come at the Baby Doge Army here with this, because a lot of people in Baby Doge only have Baby Doge, which is very important to actually be diversified. But if you look at this, DeFi, the norm, SmartNex is a leading innovation for liquidity providers and traders who want to stay ahead of the game and launch the app to start trading today. SmartDex is like a trading platform, right? You can come over here and you can swap. You can trade here on Ethereum, Polygon, Arbitrum, BNB, and Base. You can provide liquidity. You can farm over here. There's a lot of stuff that you can do here. There's a lot of stuff that you can do. Total value locked 4.6 million, 759K, 1.3 million. The reason why I'm showing you this is because DeFi is going to be like the next, like is it's the biggest thing right now, right? People are really focusing on DeFi, especially what's going on in different countries. People are really trying to get away from CNBCs. They're just trying to be closer and closer to decentralized finance. They don't really want their stuff to be tied up in a bank with governments. They want it to be on their own. So that's why we're seeing DeFi is going to be probably one of the biggest things out there. You can see a lot of people are locking their money away in DeFi. 39 million here in this one stake for SDEX for smart DEX. So this is huge because smart DEX is the token of smart DEX, and smart DEX is like an exchange, right? It's like a DeFi exchange, and it's a DeFi app. So you can also farm and stake on there, which is going to increase the price of smart DEX. The reason why I'm telling you this is because smart DEX right now is equivalent to where PancakeSwap was prior. PancakeSwap is now at rank 115. SmartDex is only at rank 369. SmartDex is going to be getting up to that point where it's near PancakeSwap. So PancakeSwap has $263 million market cap, fully diluted, and like total value locked in PancakeSwap is $1 billion. SmartDex has a fully diluted of 79 million and a market cap of 55 million. So this is huge because this could get to where PancakeSwap is. It could get a whole $1 billion locked in it right now, where it's only at $79 million. So that means that's more than a 10x from here. It's like a 12x if you want to think about it. And if we're gonna be 100% honest and like actually do the math on this, let's say we take $1 billion and divide it exactly by the amount here that we have for our liquidity on SmartDex. So we'll divide it by the full amount. This is all the money locked on SmartDex. That's a 12.6x from where we are right now. So $1,000, that's 12K. $10,000, that's 120K. So you can see the thing here going on. So this is very, very good. That's why I'm like pointing this out. This is my plan. I'm going to be getting in on SmartDex whenever I have a good entry point. There's a lot of other coins like this. A lot of people have been talking about Fulcrum recently, so you can look into Fulcrum if you don't know much about it. Go ahead and look into it. Fulcrum.finance. Very easy. You can go over here and actually find it on something else. So you can go ahead and do that. But yeah, what we have over here, actually, it's trying to connect to my MetaMask. So I'm gonna go ahead and close Fulcrum there. it was getting annoying. But Fulcrum is definitely going to be a good choice here. It's been doing a lot in the last 30 days. It's fairly new as well. So it's not something that's been out for a very long time. So this is another good bet. But like I said, you need a plan. Bakery Swap, I think this is going to be getting closer to where Pancake Swap is, only at $43 million, ranked 431. So Bakery Swap is up 47% in the last 30 days. And as you know, everything has been going down in the last 30 days, but these ones that you see are constantly increasing. It's because they're increasing their DeFi presence on the DeFi space. Like there's so many different opportunities here on DeFi, and it says it's not available in my region. But if you put a VPN on, then that'll work. But I'm not going to do it because then it's going to mess up my video. So, but yeah, you can put a VPN on, but since I'm in the US, it won't show it for me. But you can still get it. You can still get it. But yeah, like I'm saying, you guys just need a real plan. Like you need to know exactly what you're gonna do and what type of cryptos you're gonna get into. So these are all fairly good bets, I would say, in my personal opinion. But like I said, none of this is financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Some of these I'm just, kind of doing some research on. But all in all, pretty much just we're talking about why you need to have multiple different cryptos. You can't just have one thing in your portfolio. It can't just be Baby Doge. Baby Doge is cool and all, but you need multiple different focuses here. And Baby Doge, they're focusing a lot on the AI image generator. I think that's going to be big in the next bull run. So I think that's why they're doing this, because when people want to make memes for Dogecoin, they might come to Baby Doge just to make memes. Like this is how it works. So I think that Baby Doge is going to be a really big player in this next bull run. So it's definitely good to have some Baby Doge as well. But as for the little recap here that we have for Baby Doge, we have the Dex check farm and listing live, the new Froggy farm. That's what some random coin there. Zest and Pep supplement collab, BNB swap, Twitter feature, Providence Animal Rescue League, impact video, 10.8K total images generated on Baby Doge AI. That's a lot. Binge Gaming, HTX, Baby Doge AI tweet. So I guess no promo there. But yeah, some good stuff, some promo here and there. But yeah, Baby Doge is doing fairly well. If you look at the prices here, it looks like we are going down to 8Z1 soon here and eventually to 9Z9 still. Like I said, I still believe we're going to 9Z7, so I'm waiting for that to buy. If we don't go to 9Z7, it'll at least do 9Z9. So I'll probably end up buying in at 9Z9. I probably won't wait till 9Z7. I don't know. Maybe I will wait till 9Z7, but I think 9Z9 is a good area anyway. Good area of entry for Baby Doge. But another reason why I say that you guys got to have a plan, it's like if you look at it, what Bitcoin's about to do, it's about to get rejected, right? When it gets all the way up here, it might get a little bit past 28K. It might even go up to 30K, but it's not getting past this. It's going to probably end up getting rejected at 30K. Some people would say otherwise. Me personally, I say 30K. So we'll see. We'll see what happens. I think it'll get rejected before 30K, but it could reach 30K. But if it does end up getting rejected, you got to think about what happens after that. It goes down to 20K. A lot of people have been talking about this in the crypto market too, about how 20K is about to happen soon for Bitcoin. So this is a very, very important thing, because if we go all the way down to 20K here with Bitcoin, like that's a huge discount for all the other cryptos as well. So it's a discount for Bitcoin and for all the cryptos. And like I was saying, I think by leading up to the new year, we're gonna have a decrease. But then when the new year comes, like when it becomes 2024, we're gonna have that increase in price. But I think leading up to 2024 is when we're gonna have the pullbacks. So we're probably gonna end up seeing Bitcoin going down to 20K before 2024. And that's another reason why you gotta have a plan here. Because if we do pull back down to about 20K before 2024, then you can get a lot of discounts here on the crypto market. Now, maybe it doesn't do that, right? It might not do it, but it could possibly do it. So we're just looking at the possibility of it doing that. But it's just like if you look at what we've been doing in the crypto market, it just makes sense for us to pull back down just to 20K and then have our rise. But I don't know. Maybe it doesn't actually do that, or maybe it does. But I personally believe it will. The fact that we couldn't get past this 31K here for Bitcoin back in April of last year, and then, or actually earlier this year, I mean April earlier this year, we couldn't get past 31K, right? And then we tried to do it again after we pulled back down to 24K here. We tried to do it again inside of June, still couldn't get past it. Now we're trying to do it again. If we can't do it this third time and we can't get past it this third time, then that's why I'm saying we go down to 20K. Because if we can't pass it that third time's always the charm inside the crypto market. You typically will see a pullback if you can't break your resistance after your third try. You will more than likely see a pullback. So if we can't break this resistance all the way up here past 30 and 31K, then we will see that pullback bringing us all the way back down to 20K. And if that happens, that's where the buying opportunities come in. So that's what I'm waiting for. That's why I haven't personally bought in. I would say if you're not doing like analysis on charts every day, it, anywhere below 30K is a good entry point. I'm just gonna be honest. Anywhere below 30K is a good entry point for Bitcoin. Going into the next bull market, we're gonna get above our last all-time high. So anything below 30K is pretty much profit at this point. But I like to get in at the best prices possible, and I look at the charts 24/7 because it's pretty much my job to look at charts. So I look at charts all the time. So like that's why I'm waiting for till 20K. But I will keep you all updated. So if you want to just keep following along, I will keep you all updated as we go down to 20K. I personally believe it will hit 20K. But like I said, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this financial advice. So my personal beliefs mean nothing. But anyways, this is my plan. Let me know what your plan is, everybody. If you want some help with that plan, you can go ahead and join our Patreon. Link inside of the description for the Patreon. The Patreon is for not just Baby Doge, but like a whole crypto community. It's the Crypto Millionaires Patreon. It's a brand new community, so go ahead and join. You can talk inside the Discord, and we'll have discussions about a plan that you could come up with. So, like I said, none of this is financial advice. You know, I'm not a financial advisor, but if you do want help with that plan, you can join that Patreon. And also, if you want these automated trading indicators, you can definitely check out the Chart Prime link in the description. Very, very good trading indicators. Supports are typically always on point here as well with the resistance. As you can see, it lines up with the momentum wave bands there. But yeah, you can check out Chart Prime link in the description for that, and you can check out the Patreon. But yeah, you need a plan here. And it's very easy to create a portfolio here on CoinGecko or CoinMarketCap. because it's important to create a portfolio just so you can see like things that you want to buy and things that you haven't bought yet. I haven't bought all these coins yet, but I can tell you right now, like my top on the list here, I'll just go through it one more time. Like my top would be Chronos, Optimism, Caspa, Hedera is good. Stacks, Render, Phantom, Thorchain, Pancake Swap, SafePal. Um, Anchor is decent as well, so I think Anchor could be good. Bone, Kusama, Baby Doge, Amp, Joe, VVS Finance, Bitgert, Smart Dex, Fulcrum, Bakery Swap. Um, we got Vino Finance, so that's gonna be a good one. Um, there's a lot of other stuff here. This is a good gaming one, gaming for a living. It's actually GFAL is a pretty good gaming one if you want to look at that. Moon River, Tectonic, Beefy Finance, definitely. You want to get all in on all of the DeFi platforms. Beefy Finance did so good in the last bull market, so it's gonna do so good for this one. So yeah, this is another one that you really want to pay attention to. It could definitely get above $3,000, so you definitely want to pay attention to that one. Thor Swap, yeah. So there's just a lot of different things. XPR Network, Doge Chain, definitely Doge Chain, Velodrome, definitely. I didn't mention that before, but yeah, Velodrome is definitely going to be a good one. One of the top four optimism over here. So yeah, you would definitely want to look at that. But yeah, get in on these DeFi projects. That's my plan for my portfolio. I'm focusing more on DeFi projects rather than focusing on like a lot of people like gaming projects and stuff like that. I like DeFi projects is my thing. But yeah, make you a plan. Check that out. Remember, none of it's financial advice. And anyways, as always, I'll be back with another video.